guys, I'm going to share something special today because I'm thinking many illusionary thoughts which is irritating me more than 2 years or 3 years. But I have decided to many time I have decided not to do like this, but always doing overthinking, etc., etc., imagination things. So I have decided uh, how to rid of this, and it is very much related to many things, because human beings, I'm in my book I have written that human beings is categorized into three types. Okay, first female, then male, then transgender. Okay, three category. Don't see the song, later I will explain. Okay, first, okay, female, male, transgender, these three have common. Okay, both look same, talent and character. So what I am saying, this both put it in one bowl, okay, as a water. So in example one, I'm assuming human being as normal water level. Okay, so full water will be as character and talent. Now this is a illusionary diagram one. Okay, so water full of it will be single layer FMT. Okay, understand the first diagram, and the same diagram I am drawing to the next page. So I'm drawing diagram based on science and historical assuming. Okay, example 2, if you see affected FMT, only affected FMTC upper portion. Okay, double layer water, that is the portion affected. Okay, what kind of effect it is I will teach later, and this is just understanding, this is a second illusion. Okay, so now let us understand what is character and talents. In character, if you see, no, there will be a normal people and abnormal people and super normal people. If you see normal people, they will be trusty, worthy, and there in them also there will be a problem. There will be a category of that character person will be there. So 50% worried and 50% will be relaxation, like that. Husband, wife, anything, husband, wife, respecting any mother, father. So next, come to the if you want to know other more details, please Google it, because I am just shortcutting it because I'm getting timeless. Abnormal people, what will you say? It will be, you will see many where, because sensitive people, talkative people, uh, what to say, that dominating people, male or female or transgender, or a people who decides to keep silent, a people a people who don't decide to keep silent, many thing. Okay, so many thing come in abnormal. So it will be about 80% worried and feared, and 20% will be relaxation, according to my assumption. Okay, just I am just trying to prove something, so please wait. Super normal people, if you see, they are knowledgeable, rich family background. Why this and all I'm another name saying, why? Because these people will be affected more in not super normal people, because here 90% is affective and 10% is relaxation. So talent means what, character, which is extraordinary talent. Depends upon person to person. Someone will be brave or powerful or something. So let us draw fresh affected FMT. So talent and character will be categorized here. Okay, first affected FNTSC. Okay, upper part, second layer. Okay, this is second layer diagram. It means all these areas are occupied by paranoid. Do you aware of paranoid? What is paranoid? Do you aware of? No. But this paranoia is a disease which distract every disease. Which means paranoia can affect anybody. It is a common in all. If we don't follow certain rules, we can't escape from anything. My board diagram proves here that it can be reduced by many methods. Before that, understood what is paranoia. Okay, it can be found very, what to say, many. You can say anything. Many people don't accept this because they are not aware of anything much. Why, what, for whom. We don't even understand even a small things. We will find difficult to live in your society, or difficult to make decisions regarding any matter, or doubtful mind, or jealous mind, or possessive mind, etc. All problems of life will be falling only on your character or talent. So this makes you feel sick from inside. No one will come to know about this, but lots of fights, arguments, assumptions, trying to give more explanations or advice, or it can be anything. For this only I am writing. If you have any problems, please tell to family members, because in this pandemic many will die due to pandemic, because it's a fear and worry from inside, loneliness from inside, feeling from inside, worthless, or comparing yourself or anything, find yourself first, then reduce it. First find yourself. It will be cured only by applying certain science and historical secrets. Okay. In my cases, in many cases, if you see, male dominates female or female dominates male. In this, what happens? Both understanding gets affecting. Many big sacrifice you may have given, but due to this many silly reason arises. Then paranoid fights, sadness, breakup, patch up, divorce, rape, abusing, etc. A person, character, or talent, whatever he she had, already both male and female party will be knowing. Then too, you will feel like she or he don't know, she or he doing wrong, or you will feel yourself very less by comparing to yourself partner or family members, thinking by them as some normal bros, is extra. You will keep on comparing. So also paranoia forms in family members, house separation, all it will become. Okay. So paranoia is not simple disease. You are thinking it's a very simple, but paranoia is affecting everyone. I will say why bull. And one more thing, in long relationship, no, a dominating party will be thinking that I am teaching, so I am talking, I am talented, so I am talking, etc. Nonsense will be arise in this weaker party. Okay. So that weaker party, what will become? She will become more weaker, or he will become more weaker. Like rich becomes more richer, poor becomes more poor. So this economic example is only to say that the paranoia have direct relationship to all disease, not all disease, but many disease. So paranoia is what literally we are not getting it, but little we are understanding. We will understand. Sure, stress or anything here, any problem, just is a paranoia. Okay. Paranoia. It always, what to say, it comes in everyone's life. Paranoia, jealous, thinking about extra, what to say, you're misunderstanding someone, or what to say, difficult to find love, or difficult to be in love, being over suspicious, or find relationship difficult, not be able to confide in anyone, be hostile, aggressive, argumentative. What will do people? People will be easily offended, find it difficult to trust other, be always on the defensive. And there are many symptoms. It differs person to person. Understood? Differs person to persons. Even I am also, I think, suffering like this many things, but I am trying to recover it. So at the conclusion, what I am trying to say, many things I have said, but didn't explain one thing, that is illusionary, imaginary, unrealistic, which will not exist in your life. Then too you will dream, overthink, you will be depressed. Example, BU or divorce, BU means breakup. If someone forcefully do or coercion means threatening you or cheating you, doing often many mistakes, all will make you think more like a stone mind. If you are stone mind, you will damn sure you will be facing paranoia. Paranoia forms normally to any gene, but if you inhale marijuana, then you will feel high. For that only given 3 song, that name I have said in starting. That 3 name is Wiz Khalifa. He have sang that So High. Michael Faraday, that he said that heavy medicine. Yeah, see my eyes feeling red again. It means what? Fat Joy, nothing can stop me. I am all stopped. It's all comparing. I am comparing few singers' name to demonstrate of diagram. My diagram, okay, to prove you. Okay, my diagram also explains same, that without paranoia, a person will be like diagram. And if any person have paranoia, it will be for another layer with same amount of talent or character. Example, whatever character you have, sad or poor or happy or anything, it will be affect you direct to the same proportion. Example, like mirror, you will see only image but no use. You can only enjoy seeing yourself. All the things I have written through my own research and historical secrets. Why I should do topic paranoid according to this, I mean, why I should only do paranoid topic, because I am affected very high level by anyhow. I have understand that paranoid have found myself very talking, dominating, fights, many useless thoughts, many waste of advice has given to others, seeing others problems or interface, etc. All this happen only because of weed means what, marijuana, made me think more I was talented. Because marijuana, if a person is a normal talented, it will make them feel that he is extraordinary talented. That is the imagination of marijuana. So what I am trying to say, when I affected, I started assuming many illusions, doubts, loneliness, feelings to be alone, thinking myself waste. And during that time when I was not affected, I said I was very brave. So now example how paranoia affected me, like this way I started speaking more by thinking that I am smart, talented, etc. But in real life I have realized that actually I was seeing mirror more than a year, same like paranoia. But I have found myself little free now because I am applying own method. Example, normal person will getting paranoia, but they won't be affected more because percentage in 50 percentage, as I explained normal people in character heading. Do you remember? Yeah, I know. So easily it can be cured. I am belongs to Islam, and in my Islam there is one famous word, okay, said by Ilyas Maulana ji. He was said, you know, in he said in Urdu, एक आँख से अपनी कमियाँ देखो और दूसरे आँख से दूसरों की खूबियाँ देखो. It means he is telling in English that from our own two eyes start seeing your own mistakes, and from another eye see their talents. In this, if you feel anything less, learn from other. By seeing others, for that what we should do, we should apply this method in our life. By not seeing others, by seeing our mistakes, we can stop doing same mistakes. We can we will be free, we will be happy, anything, control everything slowly, keep on doing for if we, I mean, if we control everything slowly, keep on doing this for 40 days, you will find changes in the 40 days. It may be any day, but sure your changes will, you can find it. So I mean, any, if you see small changes also, you can work on it, you can make full, no, you can find it. So control suspicious, anger, overthinking, depressed, worthless, anything, make yourself think that you are no more interested on others. If you do this, what will happen, you know, you will find yourself at peace. You need someone to love more. Give solution instead of giving advice by husband or wife or BF or GF or mother, son or daughter. If he advise means what? If he gives you advice, what happens? If their advice is necessary, we advise. If not necessary, then to advise. But how many times we advise? Only 3 times. If you exceed more than 3, then there arises another problem. Other party will think that you are ruling me, you are all time seeing me, all time giving advice to me. Many problems will arise because it's all paranoia. Be happy, be healthy, stay happy, live together happy. And what to say, this paranoia, no, how to say it, it affects many way. Example, if you what to say that what to say, example, if you love somebody but you want to see her happy, but what you will say, I want to leave her, so let her be happy. This is also paranoia because you are overthinking about them. So getting what is paranoia, at least what is mean by paranoia, and paranoia where it forms, it all comes only from it's a mind disease which affects every disease. In this mind. To this mind only sleep not coming, sleep coming means overly coming. Anything, any mind mentality, many problems, many psychos will be formed, and many what this corona reasons is going on because many not uh, everyone mostly are brainless. They are not using brain. So, what I'm trying to say, person will wait. I have little confused. Okay. So where I was, person will be in. Okay. So double dose vaccination. Still now I have still now I have what to say that explained only paranoia, right? Paranoia means what everyone got it. No, now can I uh, explain something about the diagram? What happens? Okay, come to the diagram. You read it better. I am just recording my record. I'm just and showing my notes. That's all I can do. You can pass and read it because I don't have any facilities. I am doing it anyway. So let us come to the double dose vaccination. How it will work, it's a mind dose. Okay, mind. We are just applying mind game. Okay, by decreasing paranoia, decrease automatically all disease will decrease. This is a direct effect. Okay, because paranoia have direct effect to all diseases. Example, we are paranoid person. Okay, we will be free from many interior disease like BP, sugar, sleeping habit, depressed fights and useless words. Many things depends upon person to person. A person who can sleep, they can sleep peacefully because if our mental health is not good, mental, this mean we are not psycho. Our mentality, thinking habit is different, and we are getting sad, etc. Don't take it wrong. You will understand why I have said that word because physical health. I was trying to say physical health means sad anything. It will be. Then everything slowly it will come down normal position, or else in this pandemic what will happen everyone know, and what is going on everyone seeing keep on increasing because human beings paranoid is increasing paranoid because because this is mentality. Some wants money, some wants peace, some wants power, some wants anything. It's all become from this mentality. Our mindset, our thought, our thinking, everything comes only from our head. Okay, so every problem comes, it affects other place, but this is different category. If corona comes and what to say, if you don't obey, then it is a paranoia also, because paranoia means inside you will be feeling different things, different feelings, you can't even find it. So let us come to my diagram first, because the diagram must be explained because why I have explained this much. So what I am saying is this diagram, no, what I upper part I said, no. So how this found, no? All illusionary thoughts, all bad habits, sadness, it forms a secondary one layer. Okay, second layer affected paranoia. If we decrease this portion alone, no, this tab, if we open it, if we remove through this, so the solution will, we can achieve it goal, we can achieve our goal if we remove it. Okay, that portion alone. Okay, this down portion, if we open the tab, if decrease till that glass level, mirror level, I mean that first layer alone, then affected paranoia can be decrease slowly, but this is no very difficult because if you keep on advice again, it will increase. So there is a direct relationship. So there must be a exact what to do, what to not to do. There must be plan, there must be at least 40 days, there must be working on it. So like psychiatrists, we should work on it or on them. then only it will be get rid of, because this corona is totally dependent on this paranoia, because due paranoid people will fear and worry. Same if corona comes, people all will start fearing, worrying. So many will die due to, many will die due to worry, or before death time or suicide or anything, because that upper layer have formed. We have to decrease it. How will decrease? I have never that upper layer found for me, because how upper layer found for me, I had did marijuana, so that upper layer automatically formed, because everything imaginary, and the same imaginary I have found my mistakes, and my found this is a paranoid. So that portion alone can be removed by loving more, by time passing, or what to say, I bought one husky, okay. In that husky, how I bought, because that husky is a lonely pet, okay. So it gives more time to a person. So same like me also started giving more time. Hmm. So I am distracting myself by this, okay. So anyone can distract yourself. What I said, that Maulana said, Ilyas Maulana ji, that see only others talent and see only yours less things. Mean whatever you have less in you, don't feel it, just learn from it. That's all. Nothing will happen. What I said in the starting, the talent, character all comes in the second. It will be the mirror of the first layer. Oh, your talent, your habit, whatever habit you have, if you are sensitive, it will affect to mirror. If you are dull, it will affect to mirror. This is the paranoia. If you are, it creates the imaginary mirror. How the face comes in your mirror, the same way, this is the second layer is also the mirror, okay. But we can't see. We have to see this and reduce it. Then only we can achieve our goal. Or else this character, a talent, if we can't find, then how?